entered by mistake, you can here get a one delete option. You can delete it. If any details is incorrect, click on edit and make it edit. If all details are clear, click on save and next. By save and next, now the second we have selected the goals, so we need to enter the poetry information. So first we click on new poetry. Then we need to select the type of poetry, layer farm, duck farms, anything. I have said it's right now he is having a duck farm. Then we need to select the species. Same for breed, we need to just click on view breed. No breeds in Uttar Pradesh for duck is registered till now. So if from India we have selected one breed. So automatically the category it's auto populated with the help of breed we have selected. Then we need to select the animal gender. I think duckling is there. Breed name, I said impure chicken. Count how many animals are there in a farm, I said 25 and save. Once I save the details, it will showcase the here. We want to edit or delete, we can make it from edit is here and delete is there. And after that we need to click on save and next. Save and next, the whole information will showcase here. Once cross check it, if all the information which is filled is correct, click on OK. If no, go back, make the corrections and come back to till here. Once we save, it show like this that details have automatically successfully submitted. So you can see this. Now the status change to in progress. This will go with the supervisor to approve. Once supervisor approved, then it's go with the DNO. Once DNO will approve, then SNO. If in any case anyone finds that the information we have filled is not appropriate, they can reject it, partially reject that some information is correct, some is wrong. So we get a chance to modify it once. Right now we can edit because it is not submitted. Now go back. Here the option will come submit household. We can submit household to proceed with the stray animals, and if not, we can just move to other village for the work. I said submit household. I get an option to select. I said yes. Now you can see it submit to the supervisor option is visible. In some cases there are not stray animals there. We can just directly want to submit it supervisor. We can click submit to the supervisor. It will show you without stray animals information. You have logged into the system, you are going to submit it to the supervisor. So you can say yes or no according to the current situation you are facing. Then I have clicked for the stray animals. There is no stray animals in a village. Okay, I know. So I have clicked on new animals. Animal count, I say 5 female dogs are there, 6 female dogs, 5 males, and cattle are not there. So it will show me here like a male count and female count, and here I have just entered the information. If I want to make any correction, I need to click on edit. Likewise, this the data for this village has been submitted. Now I need to submit my whole work to my supervisor to make it check or review, so that we can move for next level of approvals. So I have simply clicked on submit supervisor. Now you can see the message has been changed. You are sure you want to submit for this village? I simply say yes, the data has been submitted successfully. Now you are having a question, how can I see in how many villages I need to proceed a work, and how many villages I have currently done the work, what are the status of work? For that we have provided the option here for analysis. Click here. In analysis you can see there is how many a total number of villages are there, in how many villages you have start work, how many villages work are in progress, how many villages you have not start work, you have submitted, it is under the supervisor or for review. Before that, what data you have submitted, you can see by here submitted. So it will be by view. You come back here and you are able to see what details you have submitted. It shows you submitted status here. So likewise this you can get your whole analysis, what you have done. If partially rejected, you get chance. And then here is setting options. If you are having a language problem, your local language is something different, you can click on submit languages and just change your languages according to your need. If you want to reset your password, just simply click on reset password, and if you want to log out the application, you can simply log out. This is the whole procedure by which you are able to fill the forms. Thank you.